Green tea has long been touted as one of the healthiest drinks on the planet. From boosting your metabolism to helping you lose weight, there are a lot of claims out there about this type of tea. But what is it about green tea specifically that makes it so good for you? Is it the caffeine, the antioxidants, or something else entirely? In today's video, we will explore exactly what makes green tea so great for your health. Are you ready to discover the secrets of green tea and learn how you can incorporate this ancient beverage into your daily routine for optimal health and well-being? Stay tuned till the end of the video as we reveal the key benefits of green tea and how it can transform your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. The health benefits of green tea are numerous and well documented. It is rich in antioxidants, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Green tea can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. It also supports heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. Additionally, green tea has anti-cancer properties that may help prevent and treat certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can improve brain function, enhance skin health, and increase exercise endurance. With its numerous health benefits, it's no wonder why green tea is considered one of the healthiest drinks on the planet. You might be wondering what is so special about green tea. What sets it apart from other types of tea and makes it so beneficial for our bodies? To understand the unique benefits of green tea, it's important to know how it differs from other teas. Unlike black tea, for example, green tea is not fully oxidized, which means that it retains more of its natural compounds and nutrients. These compounds, known as polyphenols, are responsible for many of the health benefits associated with green tea, such as its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea is also unique in its caffeine content. It contains less caffeine than coffee or soda, but more than black tea. This moderate amount of caffeine provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters or crash associated with higher amounts of caffeine. The unique combination of polyphenols and caffeine in green tea creates a special drink that can provide a variety of health benefits when consumed regularly. One of the most significant health benefits of green tea is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are substances that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Free radicals are produced naturally in our bodies as a result of normal metabolic processes. However, they can also be caused by external factors such as pollution, stress, and smoking. When there are too many free radicals in the body, it can lead to a state of oxidative stress, which has been linked to various chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidants, including epigallocatechin galatea, or EGCG, which has been shown to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, green tea can help protect against chronic diseases and promote overall health. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in green tea can help reduce inflammation in the body, which has been linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, green tea can help support overall health and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. Another benefit of green tea is its potential to aid in weight loss. Several studies have shown that green tea can help with weight loss by increasing the amount of fat burned for energy, reducing the absorption of carbohydrates, and increasing the feeling of fullness. One study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people who drank green tea 3 times per day were able to lose more weight than those who did not drink green tea over a period of 3 months. While green tea alone is unlikely to cause significant weight loss, it can be a helpful addition to a weight loss diet. In addition to its weight loss benefits, green tea may also help reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and it occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the heart become narrow or blocked, resulting in chest pain or shortness of breath. Several studies have shown that green tea can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. One study published in the Journal of Hypertension found that people who drank green tea regularly had lower blood pressure than those who did not drink green tea. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that green tea was able to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease in people with type 2 diabetes. These studies suggest that green tea may be a helpful addition to a heart-healthy diet. Furthermore, green tea has also been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. Several studies have shown that green tea may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, potentially reducing the risk of developing cancer. One study published in the Journal of the American Association for Cancer Research found that green tea extract was able to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells in a laboratory study. Another study published in the journal Carcinogenesis found that green tea was associated with a lower risk of developing breast cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-cancer properties of green tea, the available evidence suggests that it may be a helpful addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Finally, it's important to note that while green tea has many health benefits, it should not be considered a miracle cure-all. As with any supplement or dietary change, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before adding green tea to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Additionally, it's important to choose high-quality green tea from a reputable brand to ensure that it is pure and free from contaminants. Overall, green tea is a healthy and refreshing beverage that can provide a variety of health benefits when consumed regularly. Its high antioxidant content, potential weight loss and heart health benefits, as well as its anti-cancer properties, make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. So the next time you're looking for a healthy drink option, consider green tea and experience the benefits for yourself. And now for the big question: how much green tea is too much green tea? While green tea is generally safe for most people, it's important not to overdo it. Consuming large amounts of green tea can lead to side effects such as insomnia, anxiety, and digestive issues. It's recommended to limit green tea intake to 3 to 4 cups per day. However, it's important to listen to your body and take breaks when necessary. If you experience any negative side effects, it's best to reduce your intake or consult with a healthcare professional. Now let's delve into a particularly compelling study that highlights the transformative impact of regularly consuming green tea. The study, published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, followed over 40,000 Japanese individuals over a period of 7 years. The researchers found that those who drank green tea regularly had a significantly lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease and stroke. The study concluded that regular consumption of green tea was associated with a 31% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and a 28% reduced risk of stroke. This study is one of the largest and most comprehensive to date on the health benefits of green tea. It provides strong evidence for the cardiovascular protective effects of green tea and supports its inclusion in a heart-healthy diet. In conclusion, green tea is a unique and powerful drink that offers a variety of health benefits. From its high antioxidant content to its potential weight loss and heart health benefits, as well as its anti-cancer properties. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Thank you for tuning into this video on the incredible benefits of green tea. We hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing drink and how it can positively impact your health. If you're looking to add green tea to your daily routine, there are many delicious ways to do so. You can drink it hot or cold, add honey or lemon for flavor, or even use it in cooking. And if you want to learn more about healthy habits and lifestyle tips, don't forget to check out our other videos. We have a wealth of knowledge on topics such as nutrition, fitness, and mental wellness that can help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.